All right, this is Mr. Wyrick, just making a quick video here for you today on these notes while I'm out. We'll get to fixing the test when I come back. So this is 1.4 standard deviation and variance. So the first thing you need to do is there will be a PDF that has wait times in it. And it has a group A and a group B. So you'll need to make two different sets of data in Desmos. And it's going to be different this time because with the wait times, it's talking about people that are making deliveries. So if they're making early or late deliveries, it's going to change what you're looking at. So in this case, what we're looking at today, those early deliveries should be a negative number and the late deliveries should be a positive number. So then once you make those, you can make some box plots or histograms to kind of take a look at what's going on with that. And then you can compare those by changing like the offset and stuff like that. So then we talk about variability and standard deviation. These you need to define in your notes. Okay, variability is the spread of the data set. Okay, it could be range, it could be IQR, but it could be just looking at it visually and seeing what's going on. And then standard deviation. Standard deviation is a measure of variance based on how far away the mean is from each of the values. And the standard deviation we'll talk about more later when we get into normal distribution. But that standard deviation talks about like, okay, this is how far out it should be. This is how far out this goes for a second standard deviation. And like, the first standard deviation should be normal. The second standard deviation in either direction starts to get like more special or exceptional. And like the third standard deviation should be like absolutely crazy, something went weird. Okay, so we're gonna take a closer look at that. I say tomorrow. I want you to try to go through some of the steps that are gonna be on slides 4, 5, and 6 maybe, and maybe even into 7, kind of finding some of those numbers so that we have a little time still to fix the test when I come back. So make sure you go through, make sure you make those different graphs, and it'd probably be good if you come into Desmos, log into Desmos, just use your Google credentials for that, and then you can save that graph as 1.4 since this is the 1.4 set of notes. Do not sit in class and do nothing. If nothing else, make sure you're working on missing work, and I will be back in here tomorrow.